at the high school, Siyahlomula High School in Pietermaritzburg in the township of Ashdown. And from there, I conducted my tertiary studies at the Technical South Africa back then. That's when I obtained my national diploma in policing. And subsequent to that, I then obtained my bachelor degrees in policing at the Tshwane University of Technology. And that is my tertiary studies, commissioners. Other than that, I attended quite a lot of other training programs, which would include executive development program that was held at Wits University. And there's other courses that I attended, which will include the executive development program from the African Institute for Mentoring, and many other training programs within the South African Police Service, including other training abroad, such as in the United States of America and the U.S. Department of Justice Federal Bureau, where I attended training programs on a supervisor's role in counter-terrorism investigations, as well as Louisiana State University, where I attended a crisis response training. There's training programs that are attended at International Paul Tingley Management Services, which was a development program for high-performance managers, amongst others. As I said, Commissioner, there are many other developments that I had within the South African Police Service. I've counted some of them from Task Force, Public Order Police, and